In today's okay, anyways, hey guys, in today's video we are gonna make a tier list, Doors tier list, to show you the entities I like and I dislike, and some entities that are in the middle. Oh god, why is this so hard? By the way, the tier list is not gonna start yet, so skip over a little bit. There'll be a time on the screen right now. So, if you haven't skipped, that's because you wanted to watch how to make a tier list. Like, you just want to watch my making of the tier list. And yes, I do know I have 5%. God damn, this is going to be hard. With only 5%, this is going to be hard. I do this quick. What am I doing? Freak Bob. I don't think I've done Jupe. Jupe the Juper. Dupe da Dupa. Halt then Dupe, is that right? Halt then Dupe. Yeah, Screech is next. Screech was one of my favorite ones to get, because I had to go through so many different pages just to get Screech. I don't know why I even did Screech, to be honest. No one likes Screech. If you like Screech, you are weird. If Screech is your favorite entity, you are weird. But you'll see my liking for Screech. By the way, we're doing this tier list a little bit complicated. We've already done eyes. Ambush. After Ambush, we got Roosh. Roosh is gonna be... Oh, that perfectly fits. Oh, I've not had any perfect fits. Okay, I've had a lot of perfect fits. If it's laggy, tier lists take a while to make. What was guy? By the way, this is actually pretty hard and repetitive. So, some of you might have skipped to the timestamp I showed. And one last one. Figure. That was perfect figure. And, okay. You either have skipped here or watched the entire process to this point. The tier list will begin. Starting off with Lookman. Now. Ooh. I'm gonna put Lookman in B tier. Why, you may ask? Because Lookman's just a copy of Eyes. But he's a really fun entity. As he always appears. Haste. Now this guy is weird. I'll put him in A tier. But not the front of A tier, the back of A tier. Noob Figure. Noob Figure is just a copy of Figure. Noob Figure can be killed though. So I'll have to put him in D tier because he's weak as hell. This tier list is not just me liking them. It's me showing their strength as well. Oh, this guy, he's just a copy of Ambush. I'll put him in B tier as well. Now we have A60. This is, sorry about the lag. Wait, let's also put him in B tier, because he's just a copy of Rush. Now, A90. God, I hate this guy so much. We have to put him in... Do we have to put him in S tier? Oh, yeah, I forgot about something. the final tier list, there'll be a row above, and on D tier, there will be a row below. Crap. On C, there will be a row below. And this, there'll be a row below. And now we put this guy down. Okay, that's better. Now, all of these tiers, except for that very top new one, I don't know how to change the names yet, will not be used yet, because that's the worst and best entities. Glitch Fragment. Now this, I don't want to put it there. This is hard to survive Glitch Fragment. But it does give you good stuff. So A tier. Jeff. S tier. S tier. S tier. Jeff is too hard. But he's also really good. Louis? Louis goes straight to S tier. Above Jeff. And Jeff will be next to each other. No one likes Gloombat, so put Gloombats there. Giggles is just the exact same thing as Grumbles. And Grumbles is the exact same thing as Giggles. So we put Grumbles in B, because everyone likes Grumbles. Haste is really good, though. I'm putting it back to... Oh, he's already back at the top. Crap. Queen Grumbles, the exact same thing as Grumbles, but better. It's just Grumbles. Curious Light. I would put Curious Light in S tier, but Curious Light doesn't give you that much information, so it gets pushed down to A tier. But Curious Light also roasts you, so that goes to B tier. God, we're having a lot in B tier. Often. Now we have Shadow. Shadow's useless. He has no damage. C tier. But he's really scary. Shadow, you can go down here with Figure. Well, not the real Figure, though. Bob! Ultimate S tier. But he's not as good as Jeff and Louie. Jeff. Shouldn't Jeff just be next to Jeff? Jeff should just be next to Jeff. Bro, we have so much S tiers. Wait, what's Jeff? Jeff goes next to Jeff. You remember about that thing I told you about, where I was going to do that tier list thing, where there will be like tiers on different tiers that complicated? I'm changing my mind about that. Okay, Blitz. Blitz. Blitzy goes B. Damn. LW no. That's really fun. Void? A tier. He's impossible to avoid, but he doesn't do damage down. A. Void. Avoid. Oh, Sally's good. Gives you badge. I'm not biased. I swear. I Seek like Sally, and I like Seek. How do I know that? Growth of Giggle. Dread. Oh, what am I doing? Dread goes down here because no one likes Dread. Hyde also goes down here because no one likes Hyde. But Jack also goes down here. We're getting so many B. So many B tiers. So many B tier. Okay, now the very, very, very last. Okay, no one likes you, Timothy. Just go to the bottom. Go to the bottom with Shadow and Figure. Bro, you have a chance of falling down to the last tier. The worst tier of them all. You don't want to be down. Bro does not want to be in that tier. I'll send you to C tier at least, because you give a jump scare. Now you want to go to... Oh my god, bro, this guy. Okay, he's really scary. B tier. Why am I getting so many? B tier. Dupe. B tier. Screech. B tier. Throw him in B tier. Everyone's getting B tiers. But he's actually pretty good, so he goes there, B tier. Bro, there's always so many in B tier. There's so many in B tier. C tier. Yeah. Oh, hopes are high with this one. B tier. Okay, just getting A tier. A tier is getting its third rhythm. Because Rush also goes to A. Wait, what? What's Rush gone? Rush, go to A or else. Good boy. Guiding Light goes to S tier, obviously. Actually, no, Sally should go down. I'm not biased. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know, Sally should stay in S. No, because I'm just him. Zeke goes there. Figure doesn't be next to his brother. And that's the tier list. Now the final decision, the worst entity ever created. Okay, now we have C and New. Oh wait, you can change it now. Ass tier. It's the worst tier. So this is going to be the tier. What am I doing? That's better. Oh. That's better. Okay, starting off with B. I said the worst guy. You know. Timothy. Just kidding. Noob Figure. Do you actually think I was with a Noob Figure? No, I like Noob Figure. I forgot about one. John Doe Figure. And John Doe Figure is the same as Figure. Hear Me Shadow goes to the worst tier. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Shadow is super rare. Super ultra rare. But Shadow does nothing. And Shadow's not even that scary. He has no damage. Now, the best entity of all time. I'll do it for A tier and S tier. Ooh, Glitch Fragment? No. Louie? Oh, that's hard. But obviously, the best entity in all of Doors is Jeff. That's all for today's video. Bye.